Tapo will give you a feature that will record your whole day and make it into a summary. Very nice little feature they include with all their cameras. Here's the finished product of the Tapo installation. Really simple to do. Basically 3 screws, plus you have the hole itself for the power, and it's a simple mount. As you can see, I made it flush because I didn't want the wires to hang down. We'll go over this in a moment with the whole installation. It's a great camera. I'm going to show you some of the videos that you get at nighttime. Very happy with it, and I highly recommend it. So let me show you some examples of it now. So here's my cat coming in at 4:30 in the morning. The lights in the driveway, as you can see, is very clear at night. I'm totally surprised of the quality. Very, very clear. Let me show you the next scene. As you can see, both cars are clearly visible. If anyone was to walk up to the cars, you would record them and you would see everything, their face, whatever they're doing. It does have motion sensors, so it tells me if anyone is near the car. My phone dings and I can look at it. Very good. Hey, what's up guys? Alright, so today I got here a Tapo C325WB security camera. I needed a camera. Right now I have a Waze camera that's out front, but the battery is sort of on its last leg. It's recharging every 2 weeks. It's a wireless rechargeable camera. It's been great, had it for a couple years now, but it's time for me to move on and get something and wire it in, because you know, an actual wireless camera can't do constant recording because of course it would kill the battery very quickly. So I wanted something that can record all the time, and that's what I found here with the Tapo. This is the 325 with what's called the Color Pro Night Vision. This one has a better quality night vision. So if you're going to look for this, there's different levels of this Tapo. They will also, I think it's a 320 to double check, but the 325 is the one at the higher end of this version. So if you're going to buy one, get this. I got this at Amazon. I'll put the link below. I purchased the one that was, it said like new. So it's not brand new, but like new. I always trust Amazon because if anything goes wrong, I can return it. So I was like, well, let me save 10 bucks, $59 instead of 69. It's fine. I checked it out already. It's already connected to my app. Straightforward. All I had to do is just plug it into the wall. It came up, Tapo app, connected to it, really easy. That's why I like Tapo, because they make the connection simple. Now from that, I'm going to go ahead and move to the installation. So I'm going to show you, instead of installing this with just the standard, I'm going to say the standard power cord, I need a little more, I guess a little more cable. So I purchased one of these to extend it out. So we're going to extend the cable because I need more space to get to my outlet. This is, I think it was $10. I'll put the link below, $8, something like for 2 of these. So if you really need a really long run, they give you 2 for the price, which is really nice. The Tapo allows you to use wireless or an Ethernet. I'm not going to use Ethernet, so they give you a cap to close it off, like so. In the box, you basically just get the cable, the camera, the cap. You get a template to drill your holes for the base here, and some screws. Not much else. It's very simple. The installation is not going to be difficult. It's basically just to put the screws in and hook it up, because it's wireless, which I like. All right, guys, let's head out front and let's go ahead and install this Tapo C325WB. All right, guys, the only thing you're going to need is a hammer, of course, my drill. I got my drill bits. The big one is a 7/8 to make the hole that'll fit the Ethernet cable, and some caulking, and quite a few little staples to hold the wires on the ceiling, as you'll see. Really simple stuff you need. What's going on, guys? So step one is going to be a pre-drill hole here. I already have made this hole. I used a 7/8 bit to make it. It has to be big enough because what I want is to be flush. So this has got to go into the wall itself. So the reason why it has to be so big is because the Ethernet cable that's on here, it has to be big enough to fit through. I usually don't like making holes that big, but it's either that and then I have the cable, hanging down, which I don't want. I want it flush, straight in. So step one is drill through, and then we'll go inside and do step two. So just do this, it's pretty easy. All right, guys, on the inside, there's a little mark from the outside. I didn't want it to come all the way through. I don't want to make a hole that big on the inside. So this is a 3/8, and since the hole's already there, just big enough so I can fit the power cable through. So what'll happen is, inside the wall, this will stay in, but then I'll feed this through here and then run it up all the way up to my outlet. But yeah, it's gonna work out nicely. Hey, what's up, guys? All right, so the finished product, you can barely see it on the wall right there. It's white, it's hidden pretty well. So this went straight up. It's gonna go upside down for a second. You went straight up, hit the corner, and then I got it tracked all the way back, and then it terminates right there. I used both extensions, so I didn't need the full length. Highly recommended to get it. I have a little extra, you can see it right there, but a little tight, little zip ties, and we're good. All done. So here is the finished product. I mounted flush, very nice. I like it, came out well. And then this happened the other night, at 3 a.m. Neighbor's cat is in front of the house. And then my cat should be following right there. So they're out patrolling the neighborhood. Quality is very good, very clear. Tapo, we make a very good camera. Make sure that if you do buy this camera, get the one with the color, the enhanced Color Pro at night. It's definitely worth the extra couple of dollars. And there they go, out for their patrol. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you next one.